How to get rid of pigeons. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a problem that many homeowners and business owners face: pigeons. These birds, often called rats of the sky, can create a host of problems, from messy droppings and unpleasant odors to potential health hazards and property damage. Whether they're roosting on your roof, balconies, or ledges, their presence can quickly become a nuisance. In this video, we'll guide you through practical, humane, and effective strategies to get rid of pigeons for good. We'll explore various methods, including natural deterrents, professional tools, and preventive measures to ensure they don't return. Plus, we'll cover important do's and don'ts to avoid harming the birds or breaking any local laws. So, if you're tired of cleaning up after these feathered invaders or simply want to reclaim your outdoor space, stay tuned. We'll guide you step by step through the process to keep your property pigeon-free. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. How to get rid of pigeons. Number 1. Remove any possible food sources. If there's no food, pigeons are less likely to roost on your property. Keep your outdoor trash can sealed at all times and clean up any garbage, crumbs, pet food, or dropped food your family or visitors might leave on your patio or yard. Pick up fruit and berries that may fall from trees and bushes, like pyracantha bushes or olive trees, and avoid tossing seed on your lawn if the seed isn't germinating. Never feed pigeons. They have excellent memories when it comes to food sources, and they'll constantly return to places where they have human accomplices. Try a pigeon-proof bird feeder to feed other birds while you remove pigeons. If it doesn't work, remove your bird feeders entirely until the pigeon problem has passed. There's a myth that feeding pigeons rice will keep them away since the rice expands in their stomachs and kills them. This doesn't really work, since the pigeons will just throw up the rice and carry on, unharmed. Number 2. Install reflective surfaces. Reflected light interferes with the pigeon's eyesight and repels them. Locate surfaces where your pigeons like to land: rooftops, balcony railings, window ledges, etc., and stick waterproof reflective tape to the surface. Choose any color you like if you want it to blend with your outdoor space's aesthetics. As long as it's reflective, it will help keep them at bay. Alternatively, try hanging foil balloons or old CDs on strings from awnings, nearby trees, or garage ceiling beams to frighten the pigeons away. Number 3. Stretch weatherproof string across popular roosting areas. Taut string or fishing line keeps the pigeons from balancing anywhere. Locate popular landing sites for your pigeons and tie the string from one end to another of the area. Try to place it about 1 in, 2.5 centimeters, above the perching spot surface. You may need to install short poles or hooks into the surface to lift the string. A single string may be enough to keep pigeons off a windowsill or narrow ledge, but will do little for large, flat areas like rooftops. Number 4. Install sloped sheathing on ledges. An angled sheath provides a slippery surface pigeons can't roost on. Sheathing products like Birdslide consist of 3 sheaths that form right triangles. Position the base of the sheathing on any flat, narrow roosting area like eaves, ledges, window sills. The sloped side of the triangle, opposite the right angle of the base, is angled at 40 to 60 degrees and makes it hard or impossible for pigeons to land. Sloped sheathing comes in a variety of materials like metal, plywood, or PVC. Number 5. Tuck bird netting in places where pigeons nest. Mesh is a humane deterrent that looks pleasing and goes anywhere. Simply cover or drape any surface where pigeons may perch or lay their eggs, like under air conditioning units or on awning support beams, with bird netting or mesh. This will prevent them from entering the place at all. Hold the netting in place with small hooks, staples, or loops of wire. These will hold up better against the elements than adhesives. Pigeons and other birds may peck and pull at the netting, so check on its position once in a while and reattach or replace it when needed. Keep in mind that netting will keep all birds away, not just pigeons. Number 6. Set up scare pigeons or other fake predators. These lightweight decoys look like predators and scare off pigeons. Place a pigeon scare where the pigeons usually roost, or in a very near spot where pigeons will still see and be spooked by them. Be aware that pigeons will eventually grow used to the presence of mute raptors that perch in the same location. For good measure, move the decoy on a regular basis. Alternatively, try placing a life-size fake snake on flat areas like balconies or rooftops. It'll be even more effective if it moves. Number 7. Spray pigeons with a hose. A quick spurt of water will chase a pigeon away without harming it. This method isn't ideal for the long haul, but is effective if you need to get rid of a pigeon, or a few, right away. Spray the birds when they first arrive or try to land, rather than running for the hose once they're settled. Make sure you're using a hose fitting or head that allows you to spray accurately from a short distance. Number 8. Spray or sprinkle scents and spices that pigeons hate. Pigeons are easily deterred by specific scents they don't like. If you use citronella candles to keep away mosquitoes, you're in luck. Keep them lit to repel pigeons, too. Alternatively, spray a cinnamon and water mixture, diluted peppermint essential oil, or white vinegar in areas where pigeons congregate. They can't stand the scent. Try sprinkling spicy crushed red pepper flakes or ground black pepper on surfaces pigeons enjoy, too. Anything spicy will turn them right around. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Number 9. Use anti-roosting spike strips. Spikes make it uncomfortable or impossible for pigeons to perch. Look for spike strips at your local hardware store or garden center and attach them to ledges according to the instructions. Usually, you'll place the strip on the front edge of a ledge and press down to activate an adhesive that bonds it to the surface once cured. Alternatively, use a Slinky toy in place of spikes. Spread the Slinky out along your handrail or ledge with the coils about 1.5 in, 3.8 centimeters, apart. Wire or duct tape it in place every 0.75 in, 1.9 centimeters. Usually, pigeons will spot the spikes and won't even try to land on them. If you're worried about causing the pigeons pain if they do try to land, opt for plastic or rubber spikes with rounded tips instead of pointy or metal ones. Number 10. Feed pigeons EPA-certified birth control. Ovocontrol is a safe contraceptive that sterilizes laid eggs. Simply place a special bird feeder of the kibble-type food on your property. The pieces are too large for most birds to eat, so the chance of affecting other birds is low. Over time, the population of your pesky pigeon flock will decline by up to 95%. This method is expensive upfront, but is an effective long-term solution approved by the Environmental Protection Agency and animal welfare groups like the Humane Society of the United States. If you live outside of New Hampshire, Hawaii, or Puerto Rico, you can use this product without a permit. Number 11. Install a laser pointing system. When a pigeon sees a laser beam, it'll think it's a predator and fly away. Simply jiggle a small laser pointer in the direction of a pigeon to spook it away harmlessly. To repel larger numbers of pigeons, consider installing a laser bird deterrent system specifically designed to keep birds away from greater distances, or ask a pest control professional to do it. If possible, aim your lasers at the bodies of pigeons and their surroundings rather than at a pigeon's face or eyes. It's unknown if lasers can blind birds, but it may be possible. Lasers are effective against many types of birds. However, crows are typically intelligent enough to see through the ruse. Number 12. Try an ultrasonic repellent. Ultrasonic devices broadcast a tone that bothers pigeons. Use an ultrasonic repellent to cover a large area and block pigeons humanely. Simply set the electronic device on your property and let it ring. Some have sensors and only ring when birds are near, while others can be programmed or started remotely. Check your local regulations about the use of ultrasonic devices. In many areas, humane devices have only been approved for use in airports since the noise can harm non-pest birds and pets, like cats and dogs. Pigeons hear mostly in the same range as humans, so there are only a few frequencies that won't bother nearby people. Young people, especially young women, may be more sensitive to the noise. Number 13. Hire a falcon keeper to scare pigeons away. Pigeons will see a predatory falcon or hawk and flee from its territory. Google falcons for pigeon control to find services in your area. Typically, a falcon trainer will wander the area or facility where pigeons are a problem with their bird tethered to their arm. The pigeons will see the falcon, think that it's taken over the area, and flee to safer pastures. The technical term for this practice is falconry-based bird abatement. It's effective and humane, but may have to be redone now and then if pigeons start to return. Number 14. Spread optical or contact gel on landing surfaces. Various gel products can repel pigeons by how they look or feel. Optical gels contain natural oils that look like fire to pigeons because of the ultraviolet light reflecting off of it that pigeons can see. Contact gels typically include trace amounts of 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆, which causes gentle irritation to the pigeon's feet when they land and train them to not return. Double-check your gel's ingredients to make sure it's non-toxic before buying and applying. To apply, follow your gel's instructions and slather a thin layer over any surface you want to keep pigeons off of. Use gel sparingly and as a last resort. There is always a chance a bird, especially small ones, may land on the gel and get stuck, meaning you'll have to free them or they may get trapped and die. Never use gels containing polybutylene. This extra sticky gel is harmful to pigeons and other birds since it can get on their feathers and affect how they fly and protect themselves against water. Number 15. Seal pigeon-sized entrances to your house. Pigeons will look for and enter safe, dry areas to take shelter. Fill any gaps between your roof shingles or in the siding of your house, and seal the edges of places where pigeons nest with hardware cloth and silicone caulk or with plastic bird netting. Close off the space above attic or garage rafters with industrial bird netting. Prevent access to your attic by trimming tree branches that grow close to your roof. Seal bird blocks, the blocks between rafters where they rest on the plate of the exterior wall of the building, with a piece of 1/4 in, 0.64 centimeters, mesh screen that's cut to the same length and width as the bird block. Cap your chimney with mesh stainless steel caps that prevent animals from entering while still allowing smoke to escape. Just make sure no pigeons are already in your chimney before you or a pro installs the cap. Number 16. Guide pigeons toward exits if they're trapped indoors. It's often easier to nudge a pigeon outdoors than to try and trap it. If a pigeon gets loose in the house or garage, isolate it in one room or area by closing all doors and windows. Then, find the largest opening to the outdoors, like the living room door or a large window, and open it as wide as possible. Then, wait for the pigeon to find its way out. Turn off all lights or bright devices in the room and close the blinds on non-open windows. This makes the exit window or door look brighter, which will lure the pigeon closer. If it's a big room and the pigeon can't find the exit, hold a bed sheet in front of yourself, making sure to cover your eyes, and slowly walk toward the pigeon to pin it between the exit and the sheet. The pigeon will think the sheet is a wall that's closing in on it. Number 17. Hire pest control professionals. Professionals can deter, remove, and clean up after pigeons for you. Request they humanely trap and remove pigeons that got inside or install one-way bird doors that let pigeons exit your home but prevent them from re-entering. The pros will also clean up any droppings, feathers, or other refuse left behind with the proper cleaning equipment and protection gear that might be too expensive to obtain on your own. Pest control pros might use the same repelling methods mentioned above, plus more advanced techniques like installing shock track systems or administering pigeon birth control to thin out a flock's population over time. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Relocating pigeons is rarely helpful since they have good memories and a powerful drive to return home. Unless they raise babies in a new location, they're likely to keep coming back. 2. Killing pesky pigeons usually backfires. They breed very rapidly, and will backfill their missing numbers in the flock through rapid reproduction. Warnings. 1. Killing pigeons needlessly may violate local animal welfare laws in your area. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce pigeons' infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.